Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we are in Hoboken, New Jersey, just completing technically a framed shower enclosure. The only difference is the glass, the physical glass design itself is a frameless, and what we've done is used well, from what the designer tells me, this is an industrial look, which is the matte black framing all around. I gotta say, this is probably the coolest thing in the bathroom. Yeah, nice. So here we use 3/8 regular clear glass-to-glass hinges. We use the top header, hold everything together, and we use the matte black channel to bring in the look of a framed shower. And this stuff is pretty cool. We actually got this from a vinyl film company. I'll put the information on the link below. And so all this is a vinyl film on clear glass. Actually looks really nice. Personally, I don't think the camera does it justice, but. And again, this project was completed in Hoboken, New Jersey by Exceptional Glass. If you need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website at njglassdoors.com.